I-bend ko to, nilagyan ko pa ng transverse na load, at then nilagyan ko pa padugtong na load. So, ibang bending naman yan. So, yung i-discuss natin ngayon is pure bending lang. So, ibig sabihin, bending lang yung nag-i-exist. Wala tayong nilagay na force na ganito, or papunta doon, or any action at saka transverse load. Di ba, remember, sabi ni sir, yung neutral axis is located at the set point. No? So, now, kung yung makuha mong allowable is greater than the yield stress.
This is Sir Junior AJ, and welcome to Chapter 4 of Strength of Materials, Pure Bending Part 4 of 11. Pure Bending Examples. Sample problem for point 1.
Okay, we have this one. So ito siya, we have a bending moment dito, no, na nagko-curve upward yung curvature natin pag ganito. So somehow, at the top portion is compressive and then the bottom portion is tensile, no? So the rectangular tube, hollow siya, no? Hollow, is extruded from an aluminum alloy which yung Y natin is 40 KSI daw. Take note, dapat hindi lalagpas dito in order for our formulas to be applied. Now, given ang another na naman, ultimate, no, which is 60 KSI. And then given din tayo, yung E natin is 10.6 times 10 to the 6 PSI. Neglecting the effect of fillets, determine the letter A. Ano yan? The bending moment. And yung bending moment daw na yung factor of safety is 3, no? 3. So, ayan. Now, kapag given yung factor of safety, yung isa-substitute natin sa formula is yung allowable stress. Ano ba yung allowable stress? Allowable stress is just equal to the ultimate stress divided by the factor of safety. So ultimate, yan yung pinakataas, ultimate nga, no? Yung allowable is yung design mo. Ano yung i-allow mo lang na stress? So hindi necessarily na yung i-allow mo is yan na yung ultimate, no? Kung ikaw yung designer, syempre dapat mas mababa sa ultimate. Okay. Now, kung yung makuha mong allowable is greater than the yield stress, ibig sabihin yung mga formulas natin dyan, hindi natin yan magagamit. No, kasi masisira yung material mo. Diba? It should be na kung i-calculate mo to, hindi dapat to, or this one here should be lesser than the yield stress. No? So, okay, verify natin yan. Ano yung ultimate? 60 KSI. No? Divided by ano yung factor of safety? 3. So, yung allowable natin is equal to 20, which is lesser than the yield stress kasi yung yield is 40. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin ma-apply yung mga formulas. Nasa elastic limit pa tayo. No? Or elastic region. So, ayan. So, yung M. Ano yung formula sa M? Letter A. Ano yung hinahanap? Yung M. Ano daw yung M? So, ano yung formula na pwede natin magamit para mahanap si M? Sigma maximum is MC over I. Yung maximum natin dito is yung allowable natin. No? So, ayan. So, ano yung sigma M? Sigma M is, nakuha natin, no, 20. So, 20 times 10 to the 3 is equal to, ano yung M? Yan yung hinahanap. Ano naman yung C? Again, ano yung C? Neutral axis, papunta sa maximum. So, in this case, this is, wala bang, ito, no? Sa drawing, this is 5. And, this one here, ano na lang, drawing na ako. So, ayan, this is 5. This is 3.25. And then yung hollow niya, hollow yan, no? This is 4.5. And here is 2.75. Ha? Hollow yan, di ba? Hollow. So, ano yung I natin kapag hollow? I-minus lang natin, no? Bigger I minus the smaller I. No? So, ayan. So, we have, ano yung C? 2.5. Kunin muna natin yung I, no? I natin dito is, yung sa malaking I, minus yung sa maliit na I. So, we have 1 over 12 BH cube minus 1 over 12 BH cube. We have 1 over 12, base is 3.25 times 5 cube minus 1 over 12, 2.75 times 4.5 cube. So, ilan yan? Pwede pa calculate? Verify na. Diretso ko na lang, no? Hindi matapat sa iyo, pani. So, that is 12.97. This is our I. No? Substitute lang natin. Ano yung C natin dito? C is, ito yung neutral axis. Yung half nito is 2.5 divided by 12.97. So, makakakuha tayo ng M equal to 103.8. This is keep that inch. So, sa B, ano yung hinahanap sa B? The corresponding radius of curvature. So, ano yung radius of curvature natin? 1 over rho. Sabihin na tayo, no? Ano yung formula? Remember nyo? M over EI. So, substitute lang natin. 1 over rho is equal to, yung M, no? 103. 103.8 times 10 to the 3 over, yung E natin is 10.6 times 10 to the, to the 5th. Ay, ayun. To the 6 times the I, which is 12.97. Ayan. So, ano yung rho natin? The radius of curvature. Sulat ko na lang, no? 1, 3, 2, 5 inches.